What's up, y'all? This is DJ So. I've got an unboxing video for y'all today, and I'm excited to see what's inside. So, I've been thinking about getting this for a while, and I finally pulled the trigger and got onto djnowlighting.com and got the both Spider Wash lights. Check it out, check it out. Comes in a nice carrying case, manual, and here they are. Finally got them. I am super excited about getting these both Spider Wash lights. I'm gonna turn them on and try them on in my living room. Whoa. Two of these in a venue. Amazing. It's gonna be amazing. Just in time for my gigs coming up in the next few weeks. I've got about 6 gigs in a span of about 8 or 9 weeks. These are gonna be perfect for washing the room or the dance floor. I'm in my sanctuary. It's much darker in here. Y'all can see that for yourselves. All you really see is just from the windows and from the exit signs. And I've got the Spider Washes set here on the stage, and I'm gonna hit the power button here and see what it does. Look at that, nice wash. Red, green, blue. And they're at 50% right now. And I'm using them right now, controlling them with the remote control. So this wash light does a good job of washing. Now I've got the lights turned on at 100%, and you can see the difference there. Turn down one. That's 75%, I believe. I think it only lets me. Oh, there it goes. Okay. All right, that's like 25%, 50, 75, and 100% right there. Again, for you one more time, that's 100%, 75, 50, 25. I'm excited to try these lights, and I'm gonna get some footage when I go to a gig, and I'm gonna show you the results to this light. It's gonna be a great purchase for 2026. Thank y'all for watching. This is DJ So, Daddy by day, DJ by night. God bless.